Hello friends, welcome to my channel devopsvijay. Today in Jenkins, I'll be showing you, actually it is like hack of Jenkins. I'll tell you the scenario. This is the Jenkins UI. I have logged in, but let's log out. Okay. Suppose you have forgotten the password, you have lost the password and you do not have any password backup. Okay. How you will log in? Without logging in, you cannot do anything. Okay. Even if you suppose I have given the wrong password, it will always say invalid username and password. Now complete installation, all the jobs, everything is gone. How you will do it? Without admin username and password. So suppose I am not able to log in. Let's proceed how to fix this issue. Okay, for that, if you have installed Jenkins on Windows or Linux, doesn't matter, you have to find the configuration of Jenkins, main configuration. In Windows, the location will be C. In C location, if you have installed using MSI, go to the program data, go to the Jenkins folder. .jenkins folder will be there. Inside this, if you see, one config.xml is there. Credentials and other things also you can explore, but right now we will focus only on config.xml. Open this in editor. I'll be using notepad++. Okay, I have opened this. Now everything whatever you have done, it will be present here, but if you see the first 5-6 lines, you will see use security. That is true. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to disable the login. False. Save it. It is telling you have to open this file in administrator mode and then save it. So I have saved this to false. Okay, now after adding this to false, if you browse this, again it will ask username and password, and if you don't know the username and password, again it will fail. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to restart your Jenkins controller or master server. For that, I have already created a video. Open the services here, click on Jenkins J. Okay, this is my agent, this is a Jenkins server. Click on restart. My Jenkins is getting restarted. Okay, let's browse this. Jenkins has started, you can see, and it is not asking any login or any username. You can see no Vijay or anything, right? Or it is showing all the jobs. Now what you have to do is, if you want to keep your Jenkins unauthenticated, you can keep it. Else you can go to the manage Jenkins, you can reset your password and again enable the security.